Welcome back to Chef Sketti channel. I'm Chef Sketti. I've created a midweek chicken and rice skillet meal tonight. Earlier I put up a video and I did the whole cooking process and now we're done. And it's been 40 minutes, so let's take a look. Everything's perfectly cooked. If you want to add a little sparkle, you could always put a little greenery. I like to buy my containers of this size because I use parsley in pretty much every savory dish I cook, and it just looks a little prettier always with something on top. Fresh is good also, and I'm out of fresh tonight. I'm a Thursday grocery shopper, so our midweek in my house would be what I have left. So this is what I had left tonight. And I'm going to plate it up, and I'm serving this with green beans. I'll take a piece of chicken and rice and potato. This looks really good, huh? Look at the browning here. Now I always say where there's browning, there's flavor. And just some green beans. And my family's about ready to walk in the door. And I just had an appearance from Winston. And he's also over here having his dinner. So you want to say hi, Winston? You want to say hi to everyone? Hi! So we're going to eat. Tonight I'm going to have this with coffee. So here's some coffee and my dinner. Thank you for coming by. I always appreciate you. And be happy. Give me a like or a subscribe if you enjoy. And have a great one. Bye.